Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about the recommended ways of building links. Link building is a very laborious job and routine work you have to follow, and you should obviously focus into the quality of getting quality backlinks rather than the quantity. But every time you go to third party website, you create your account, you create your profile, then you put the content there and the keyword wrap text, and this is a very time consuming task. But yes, for SEO, for getting popularity, you have to do it. Now take example of how to build links. Before we move into the link building part, let us take 2-3 points to remember. We have not discussed it in earlier module. First of all, whenever you are building links, whenever you are placing content, you should not copy it from your own website. Otherwise, what will happen, it would give you the duplicate content penalty. So if you build 100 links or 200 links or 300 links over the time, and if you copy paste 3-4 lines paragraphs from your own website's content, so automatically that the website's page would be diluted and it would be having a duplicate content penalty. So always you should write your own, and the keyword wrap text in your, whenever you are submitting for your backlinks, like you creating your classified listing or you're submitting to any other directories with the description and the title tag. So you should always keep the content unique for backlinks, for link building techniques. This is one point. The second is, from one single domain you should not get multiple links. It is also required that if you have variety of root domains, if you have many root domains pointing back to your site, that is good, rather than you are getting hundred or thousands of links from one single domain. So this is also very important to remember. Now come to this point, how to build links. So first of all, the most important part is competitive research. Now let us take example, say foolwala.com, that is one website, and their competitor is fnp.com. Now how to find that, if we are building links for foolwala.com, so how to find the digital footprint of Ferns and Petals fnp.com. So what we would do, we would type in Google with fnp.com. So fnp, we write it fnp. Now you write here fnp.com. now what will happen, you get the first website is their own website, so you leave it. Now you see from different other third-party websites, like from Wikipedia they are getting links, from ICICI Bank they are getting links, from up to 75 they are getting links, from Coupons Guru they are getting links. Like this way you take up to 10 pages, and the similar way we check with google.com, with foolwala.com, so where they are there. And if we search with Foolwala, so we search here foolwala.com. now you tally both of them. So now foolwala.com, they are also in up to 75.com, fnp is also in up to 75.com, so leave it. Now in that way you consider, you find out those sites where foolwala is not there but fnp is there, and you list it in a notepad or in a excel sheet, and then you go to those websites and try to find out if you can create your own profile and put links there or not. Most of the cases, out of 100 websites you find, then you can see 40 or 50 websites you can create your own profile and put backlinks, but rest of the cases they might get some spontaneous references, or they have some kind of tied up or business partnership, so you cannot go there. So in that way, but you have to try, you have to find out all those websites, and then you have to try your level best, and whatever you get out of them, so it is your advantage. So what in gist, what you have to find, you type your competitor's website or competitor's brand name in Google and go up to 10 pages or 15 pages and find out the digital footprint from what other websites they are having their digital footprint, and where you are not already there. So segregate those websites and go there, create your profile, see whether you can get opportunity to create your profile and put backlinks or not, and whatever possible, wherever possible, put your best effort. So this is number one technique. The second is, of course, you should go with social sharing sites. So you search with list of top social networking sites, so you can get good list. Similar way you can search with, see, you can list of social networking websites. So if you click on this, you can get most of the popular websites. Similarly, you search with list of social bookmarking sites, so you get again full list of bookmarking sites. You write list of top free blogging sites, so you again get names. List of top wiki sites, so you get also the list. Then you get list of top RSS submission websites, so you get the list. Now also you can search with, say for example, for here you see the names of different social networking sites, Weibo, About Me. So you have to create the profile there, and you have to put your backlinks in all these websites. Like Facebook, you can see all this list. So this is a good list of getting backlinks. Again, you can see the list of 50 plus social bookmarking sites. You can again get the list here. You can get the list of free blogging sites for creating blogs, so you can check it. You can see list of wikis here. You can also check top RSS submission websites. So in that way you can get many lists. You can create your own link building database, and you can start building links here. So it should be a regular slow process, not in a single day you have to build links. So in that way you can build links. So right now what we can do, we have a PDF document with how you can build links. So every points are mentioned there, so you can download it from our module and you can have a look at it. You can go through it. You can get lots of ideas to build links. Like the basic is create a blog, then RSS feed, then interlink, then you show resource pages, then profile links, then like Crunchbase. So you get the examples over here. Then research competitors, the way we have shown it. Then get people to see your content, then see build relationships, then submission based article directory, web 2.0 submissions like Squidoo, press release submissions, then infographic submissions, then company directory submissions like Hotfrog, Manta, then video submission sites, then niche specific sites, business.com, then user reviews there, then webcam directories are there, logo design directories are there. So lots of RSS directories, 1800 toll-free directories. There are lots of directories are there. According to your business, your relevancy, you have to find it out what are the best options you can do, and you have to create your own link building mix. How you can get the relevant, fresh, quality, and natural backlinks out of all this, keeping in mind that variety of anchor text should be there, and obviously the content should be unique for every third-party websites. It should not be copy pasted from your website. So you can go through this PDF document. You can get many new things, many techniques of building links. So the gist is like this. So first thing, you have to do the competitive research. Second, you go with the most common social networking sites, social bookmarking sites, then blogging platforms. Like here you can get the blogging platforms, blogger.com, then wordpress.com, then livejournal, then Tumblr. So you have to go there, you have to sign up, you have to create your account, and then you can build links, backlinks there. You have to put the keyword wrap text there. Apart from that, you can also search with top local classifieds India. So in that way, putting the location, you can get the top classified sites there. The same for US and for Australia, you can also do. Even you can search with blogs related to your field like digital marketing. You can write this way, blog plus you can write comments. So you can get lots of digital marketing blog where you can put the comments section. You get the comments there. So see here you can see like similar way, like flowers plus blog plus comments. You can get lots of flower blogs, and you can go there, you can read their blog post, and you can comment there. So you can check over here, you can check with floral blog here. So in that way you can find out different, like here you can see, say continue reading, and you can check here, and you can leave a comment over here. So you can put it over here. So they have put the comments off, that's why you can't comment here. So you have to find out whether if you can get the comment section on, then you can comment there. So let's check with this. So if we get a comment section, so obviously we can put a comment. So in that way you can search in Google. So for example, we check with this blog. Now see here this blog post. Let's go here. So you can write your comment here, you can put your name, you can put your email, you can put your website here, and your comment should be related to the subject matter of this blog, and then it would be approved. So there is a chance that if you try for 100 websites for backlink, and you can get 25 to 30% approved backlinks. So in that way you have to go with building links. Thank you.